Fuck.
Hey everyone, it's JC again. We went hiking on July 21st, 2024 on Sea Level Cirque, just before Lake Minnewanka. My brother invited me to go hiking with two of his friends. We left Edmonton at around 6 a.m. to avoid the heat in the afternoon. Of course, I brought my camera gear with me to document the hike, but realized that I had gone a bit overboard with my gear. I prioritized bringing my gear more in hopes of documenting most of the hike and only brought smoked sausages and water bottle throughout the journey up the summit. I did not expect the hike to be gruesomely hard and decided to stay a few meters just before the summit. I told my brother and his friends to continue on, since if I continued up with no water, I'd probably pass out because of the heat. Nonetheless, I stayed, went down to the end of the actual Sea Level Cirque trail, and took some photos. All in all, I enjoyed the views and was happy that I documented most of the hike with my GoPro and Fujifilm X-T2. You will see that I also brought my X Pro 1 but did not get to use it because of how focused I was on the hike, and I just decided to use the GoPro and X-T2 throughout. I decided to make this video to be more on the cinematic side. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay relaxed, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Holy shit. Damn. Imagine up there. That's nice.